students. Today I am going to discuss rate equation for zero order reaction. So let us see what is zero order reaction. So a reaction in which the concentration of the reactant do not vary with time and the reaction proceed at constant rate is said to be zero order reaction. That means we are talking to such reaction in which concentration of the reactant do not vary with time. It's called zero order reaction. So we having the example hydrogen gas when combined with chlorine gas it forms hydrochloric gas, and second example is when PH3 undergoes decomposition it forms phosphorus and hydrogen. So these two examples are of zero order reaction. Now we are discussing integrated rate equation of zero order reaction. So considering the general reaction, A is going to convert into product. If the reaction is of zero order, then its rate would be rate is equal to minus d concentration of A divided by dt is equal to K concentration of A to the power 0. Since the reaction is zero order, therefore 0 is indicated here. Now any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Hence K into 1 is equal to K. Now here we having minus dA concentration of A by dt is equal to K. So shifting dt to the right hand side it becomes K dt, and here minus d concentration of A. So shifting the minus side to the right side, d concentration of A is equal to minus K dt. Now on integration of this reaction we get d concentration of A is equal to minus Kt plus I. Here I is a constant and called constant of integration. Now when t is equal to 0, then A must be equal to A0. So A0 is equal to I. When we put here t is equal to 0, the entire terms becomes 0. So I is equal to A, and if the reaction is 0 order, therefore A is equal to A naught. That means it indicates that the 0 indicates that T is equal to our 0, reaction hasn't started. So concentration of A must be equal to 0. So I is equal to A0. Now this I can be put in the above equation here. See, substituting this value of I in equation 1, we get concentration of A is equal to minus Kt plus A0. We have put here the value of I. See here, the value of I is A naught. We have put here A0. Now Kt is equal to A0 minus concentration of A. How? Because we have shifted Kt to the left hand side and concentration of A to the right hand side. Hence we can determine the value of K, which is equal to 1 by T concentration of A0 minus concentration of A. Now this is the equation for the zero order reaction. Now some important characteristics of zero order reaction. Any reaction of zero order must obey equation 2, this one, as it is an equation of a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So the plot of A versus T will be a straight line with slope k is equal to minus k, and integration on concentration of axis A0 is as shown. So here is concentration of A and this is the T. Now as the rate independent of concentration, plot of rate versus concentration will be a straight line parallel to concentration axis. you can see here, this is rate and this is concentration, so it is parallel to concentration. Thank you.